I'm so much passionate about this way of making money online because this gives you many different ways to make money online, and it also leaves you with an asset. Then later you can flip and make $100,000, 200, 500,000, or even $1 million. I will share in this video how you can start making $100 per hour, $200 per hour, if maybe possible to start today, and everything will be done or taken care of using my softwares. 100% free. Links will be in the description. My other videos will help to get there as well. But how to build this asset that will be built automatically using my softwares, and also it will become your asset that will make you six figures when you flip it. So how can all this be done? So I was doing my research using Google to make this video basically, and I found this awesome article that is showing how you can make money from 30 different ways using the method I'm about to share with you. But hey, in case you like this video and you like our other videos, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next video, and this way you also support our channel, and we are very grateful for that. So let's begin. Let us start with what is the asset. When I mention the name, please don't freak out because my softwares will take care of all the hard work. Literally, you don't have to do anything at all. Your job will be to set and forget, and the softwares will do the job. So let us begin. This is a blog, and a blog is an asset. A blog contains images, text, videos, etc. Now you might be thinking, oh my god, I don't have server, I don't have domain, I don't have ideas, I don't know how to write stories, like it's a lot of work, and how the heck am I gonna make money even? So I'm gonna share everything with you. As I told you, my software's free, link in the description, will help you get there. So please stay tuned till the end of the video, because the big money is about to come, and it's going to be completely passive income with an asset. So this is a blog, and the blog needs content, and for the content, traffic or the visitors will come to your website. Now the question is, how will the visitors visit your website? The answer is pretty simple. One of the easiest ways to get traffic to your blog is Pinterest. So this is Pinterest, and I found the link to this blog from Pinterest while I was browsing Pinterest. And then I went to SimilarWeb to check the analytics, the amount of traffic they're getting to the blog. And I found 51,000 monthly visitors, which is pretty cool. If in case you have idea about traffic, how expensive it is, with paid traffic, for 51,000 monthly visitors, you might have to spend $100,000. Wow. We're not talking about that. We're going to get all this traffic for free. Now, why do people spend money on ads if traffic is free? That is a different discussion for another video. Let's continue with our method. So when you come to the detail of the traffic, you see 36% of the total traffic comes from social media. When you go to the social media, that one social media is Pinterest. So Pinterest sends them the 36% of the total traffic they're getting. All right, awesome. Now, what about this search engine traffic? Search engine traffic works in a way that when you have content on your website and that content is search engine optimized, then Google's algorithm takes notice about how the visitors on your website are behaving after they land on your website. As you can see, the bounce rate here is 76%, which means 76% people leave the website after they visit the first page, which means 24% people stays on the website and they browse around for other contents. That is useful to Google, and Google found this website to be valuable for the visitors, and they start ranking the website for different keywords. You see, these are keywords, and there are so many other for which this website is getting traffic from Google. And this Google traffic also find the social media links around the website. They go to those social media and find their profiles on social media and engage on social media. So there is a complete circle go on from Google to social media, from social media to Google. This traffic movement creates the authority of the website and traffic keeps flowing. So the job of this website owner is basically create valuable, entertaining and awesome content and share that content with Pinterest. Now, my software's links in the description will build this kind of blog for you completely automatically. You just set and forget. Another link will be a software that will share the content automatically with Pinterest and other social media accounts. Awesome, right? So they will drive traffic not only from Pinterest but also from other social media accounts. And another software, link in the description, will optimize your content for search engines, so that will help you get traffic from Google. Now, how are you going to start making money from today? From today, you're not going to look for big number of traffic. From today, you're going to get whatever traffic from social media and we'll drive those traffic to referral links to the websites who pay for sending visitors. Links in the description will show you my other videos that will teach you many different ways and many different websites that pay you for referral traffic. Super free, super easy. So you start making money from today from whatever traffic you are getting. But that's not all. There are 30 proven ways, no, not only 30, so many other ways. I will share a link to this blog post in the description so you learn how to make money in 30 different ways from your blog. You start implementing those one by one. The blog will be built automatically using the software that will be shared with Pinterest, and Pinterest traffic will come to you automatically. And search engine traffic will also comes gradually and automatically, but you focus on making money by adding these methods in your website. Now, once you start making money, you keep the record of how you're making money, because later this record will help you make a huge amount of money when you will flip this blog. Now, come to the flipping. For flipping, you go to Flippa. You see, on Flippa, on the landing page, the first page, there are so many websites. Most of them are blogs and e-commerce sites. They're being sold for a huge amount of money. Look at this. This website makes $9,000 monthly profit and the asking price is $420,000. And chances are it will be sold. Another one, it's a blog and the monetization is only AdSense. It's only 3 years old. How many years old doesn't matter. Net profit is $947 per month. Pretty basic, right? $35,000 asking price. Again, another one, 50 years old, don't worry about it. 15 years doesn't matter. What matters is how much net profit this website is making. And the monetization is ClickBank. The asking price is $409,000. So sky is the limit how much you can make money by flipping your asset, the blog, that is actually making money from you. So making money is important here, and you will learn the making money system for free. My software will build the blog for you. All you have to do is to start today. Go ahead, grab those tutorials, softwares, and every resources you have in that description, all free. Start today and start making money today. Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it so you can make money online. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you support this channel. We are grateful for that, and you will be notified when we will upload our next video. Don't forget to hit the share button and share this video with all your social media contacts, friends and family, WhatsApp, email, so they also learn how to make money online and you become a cool person in front of them because you're helping them make money, right? So we will see you in the next video.